Blessed be everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a spell to stop any gossip, slander, lies, or any information that somebody is spreading about you to damage your reputation. But before we dive into that, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to know more about how you can be more organized and a little bit more strategic about your spell crafting, then do have a look at the spellcaster checklist. The link to that is in the description field below this video. So it's always handy to have a little spell under your sleeve to stop any gossip or lies or any attempt by another person to try and ruin your reputation through what they say to other people. And it doesn't have to be a spell that harms that person. It's just simply a spell to stop them from doing it and to be revealed for what they're doing, so that other people become aware that they are spreading lies about you. In this current age, reputation is pretty much what's being hunted down at the moment. So instead of burning people at a stake in our modern times, because we don't generally get away with that anymore, we tend to use slander and gossip and putting people down verbally and spreading lies or doing all sorts of nasty things to each other, because it's probably the easiest way to do it. It's also still a very effective way of harming another person. Slander, lies can cost you your job, it can cost you your career. So you want to make sure that you're protecting yourself from it. And this is a quick candle spell that you can use to do so. Clove, I'm using oil. You can use the actual cloves and crush them up and roll your candle in the cloves. A candle, because we're going to be doing candle magic. When it comes to the color of the candle, you can either use red. So red corresponds to the element of fire, so does clove. And that's the fiery tongue that you're representing by this candle. You can also use yellow as well, because yellow is associated with communication by its association with the planet Mercury. So either yellow or red is a good color to use. Otherwise, just use a white candle. Then you want to write down on a petition or a piece of paper, use the name of the person if you know who's doing the slandering, or if you don't know who's doing the slandering, then just write the person who is spreading lies and gossip about me. Write that on your piece of paper anywhere from 3 to 5 to 7 to 9 times. And then going the other direction, you want to then write their lies about me will be revealed, and do that 3 to 5 to 7 to 9 times, crossing over what you'd written previously. It really depends on the type of gossip as to what you do, right? So be specific. Is it lies that they're spreading, or is it something else that they're doing that is harming your reputation? Maybe they're twisting what you've said, or maybe they're taking an offense to what you said due to maybe their own beliefs or their own ideology, and that's not true. Be specific about what it is that you're trying to stop them from doing, or what you're trying to reveal about them. So if it's lies, you want their lies to be revealed so that other people realize that person's lying about you. If it is that they've misconstrued something that you've said, or they've taken an ideological offense to something that you've said, then you want that truth, the real truth, to be revealed so that everybody knows, oh, it's just that person thinks that way, and so they've misunderstood it, or whatever the situation is, because there is a lot of that going around at the moment. And so now we'll go over to the spell. So here I am at my altar. I have the petition placed under my spell candle. I'm going to now dress my candle in the oil. Because I want to take the gossip away from myself, I'm actually going to dress the candle leading away from myself. So you can start from the base of the candle and working up, or if you want to do it another way, you can start from the middle of the candle and go out that way, and then turn the candle around and go out that way. They're just two different ways of dressing a candle. So place your candle in the holder and it is ready to go. As you're dressing your candle, you also want to think about your intention, and you may also want to be thinking about what you have written in your petition as well. Before you do your spell work, you want to make sure that you are grounded, that you are centered, and that you have done some type of cleansing before you start your spell. So don't go just straight into the spell. Make sure you have done some cleansing. In some traditions, people will put salt around their spell work. I don't come from one of those traditions and I've never done that, but it really just depends on your tradition or whatever you follow as to whether you want to do that or not. As your candle starts to burn down, you can say something like, "This candle represents the lies and deceit being spread about me. As the flame of this candle consumes the wax, so all lies and slander will be consumed and be no more." And here is where you can use your petition as a chant. Because your words have vibration, your words have power. You want to speak to the candle so that the vibration of your voice is being aimed at the candle, so that you're filling the candle with the energy of your voice, so the vibration of your voice. "The person spreading lies about me, their lies shall be revealed. The person spreading lies about me, their lies shall be revealed. The person spreading lies about me, their lies shall be revealed. The person spreading gossip about me, their lies shall be revealed. The person spreading lies about me, their lies shall be revealed. The person spreading lies about me, their lies shall be revealed. The person spreading lies about me, their lies shall be revealed." And you can say this as many times as you want to say it. It's good to keep it up for at least a minute and just feel the energy of what you're saying as you're saying it, because A, you're using your voice for vibration, so that's raising energy, and B, as you're saying it, you are also feeling the energy of what you're saying, which is also tuning into the vibration of what it is that you're casting the spell for. And this is what it's all about. It's all about focus and vibration and intention. And then once you feel you've done, just let the candle burn down safely. And then you can take your petition and use any of the elements to cast the petition toward. So you can burn your petition, you could put it in a living body of water, although I wouldn't recommend that unless the paper is definitely very environmentally friendly. You could bury it, or you can toss it to the wind. I personally would recommend using fire, as this is very much a fire spell, so burning it is quite okay. And then you're done. Don't forget, if you want a copy of the Spellcaster checklist, the link to that is in the description field below this video. I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Blessed be.